YouTube Shorts are now going to make as much as long-form video in ad revenue. This is coming from YouTube's CEO himself. So now this is a great news for many creators on YouTube, because for the longest time we've been frustrated by shorts. So much so that one is not sure whether to create shorts for the growth of the channel or to create shorts for revenue and growth of the channel. But a lot of content creators have been afraid of their audience retention because the algorithm likes long form videos, and if your videos are less than a minute long, it will indicate to the algorithm that this video was not liked. People clicked off and went elsewhere, and as a result it started destroying the YouTube channel's analytics. So many people have been skeptical about shorts. So in the beginning we would say, hey, listen, if you don't want to ruin your audience retention and other analytics, all that you have to do is create a whole new channel for just shorts, and just create shorts and post it on that different channel. So around 2022, 2023, if I'm not mistaken, around June, YouTube introduced shorts ad revenue, basically meaning that all YouTube channels that are monetized and they are posting shorts, they are now going to start earning from those shorts. We were excited and we were like, yeah, that is great, but how is it going to work? Because with long form videos, at least we understood how one made money, because ads will run in mid-roll of our videos, and of course, depending on the engagement with the ads, whether they skipped or did not skip, therefore we will know how much we made. Of course, we also understood the CPM of a long form video, that it could range between 5 cents all the way to even $200 per 1,000 views. Now, how did it work out with shorts? We did not know. However, we did find out a little bit later that, well, shorts are not going to be paying as much as long form videos. As a matter of fact, they were paying in cents. I've seen YouTubers that go viral with 1 million views, but when it came to the ad revenue, they made less than $100. As a matter of fact, some of them less than $10 for 1 million views. So that discouraged many YouTubers and thought, you know what, I'm not going to create this. If I do, it will be because of one reason or another. In most cases, some would to test their long form videos if they are going to do well with this particular topic by creating a short on that. Even though I always felt that, well, YouTube views, like long form views and short views, they are two different entities. If you are going to upload shorts, you are serving people who only like short form videos because they either spoiled by TikTok or Instagram Reels or shorts themselves, and so they're only interested in that fast-paced edited video, which is short, versus a long-form video where they might actually lose attention span, because as you know, people these days, they have a very short attention span, that of a goldfish. Yeah, I think this is said over and over, but I think everybody gets the idea. So now with all this is happening coming from YouTube, yeah, we are like, now we are motivated to create and post YouTube shorts. Of course, this is for YouTube channels that are monetized. And if you are still working towards your monetization, you need to meet these two requirements. That is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, or within 365 days, or you need to acquire 10 million public YouTube Shorts views within 90 days. That 10 million almost seems near impossible. I think they should drop it down to 1 million, because at least 1 million is attainable from what I have seen. Now, with this update, or this new update, it has gotten a lot of YouTube Short skeptics changing their minds, because listen, if you are going to create a 9-minute long video and then you have a 12-second long shorts, and both of them are going to be making almost a similar amount of money. There are even reports where in the United States, people or those YouTubers are making far more than what they are making on their long form videos through shorts, because shorts, they has this potential of going viral the moment you post the shorts versus a long form video. Now, if you're wondering, is this happening everywhere? No, it's not rolled out everywhere just yet. It is tested in the United States, and usually they also test in India. I'm not quite sure, but I will be keeping you updated with this update from YouTube so that you will know. I'll be right here to tell you when they're going to start rolling it out to Africa and other regions where YouTube monetization is allowed or it is implemented. So I don't know what this means to you. Does it mean that you are now going to start posting YouTube shorts? I think you should, because while we are awaiting for the rollout in our own regions, we should be already creating a foundation for these this new update of monetization from YouTube. So just to read something that I found out what YouTube CEO has said regarding this new changes or this new update. And I quote, "It's because of increased ad impressions, AI-powered ad targeting, and a surge in shorts viewership compared to long-form videos." Like I said, there are some shorts creators who are making more money than they are making from their long-form videos through ad revenue. So this is why YouTube thought, you know what, let's also increase the ad revenue for shorts and make it the same amount as the long form videos, or at least similar amount as long form videos. So yeah, that is what is happening on YouTube, and these are of course exciting news for many of us, myself included, who's going to start uploading shorts regularly. And by the way, the other update was that I know I'm late with this one. You can now create 3-minute long shorts, no longer 1 minute or 59 seconds it used to be. You can now create 3-minute long shorts. Now, if you are looking for ideas on how to create shorts, remember YouTube appreciates original content. So start creating shorts that are between 13 seconds to about 30 seconds long, because those are the ones that tend to do very well on YouTube about an original idea or a topic or whatever niche that you are under. Secondly, you can repurpose some videos of yours that you already posted on your channel by finding some sweet spots in those videos and then convert them into shorts and upload them. Or you can repurpose videos from which I would actually not encourage you to do it, because YouTube, there's a change in policy and you might get slapped with copyright strike or copyright claim or something along those lines, and you are not going to be making money. Or you can do what? Introduce a video that you are busy working on just to test if that video is going to do well as a long form video. So those are the tips that I will give you to start posting YouTube shorts. So guys, this is not just update that you should treat it as it's just an YouTube update. No, you need to treat it as another way of you to make more money on YouTube.